Welcome. This video will be a flip to glyph tutorial for Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. First, let's open Settings and go to Glyph interface. And here you'll be able to find something called flip to glyph. Now, what this feature is all about and how it works. So, flip to glyph works in a way that when you flip your phone around with this feature enabled, you will only receive silent notifications with no sounds and only the light blinking at the bottom of your back cover. And to enable this mode, you have to switch this toggle to the right, and then you'll also be able to enable essential notifications, which will make only the the custom notifications appear in this mode. And to adjust essential notifications, you have to go back, then go to Essential Notifications menu and create a new rule. Now let's first select an application that will be showing us notifications. So for example, contacts, or maybe not contacts, but phone. There should be a phone application, and then we want to receive notifications about missed calls, for example. Now let's tap the pencil icon to choose some specific kind of notifications, and here let's leave missed calls checked and also maybe emergency calls checked. Tap done. And now we have this app showing us notifications, so we can name this rule, for example, missed and emergency. You can also add some specific contacts from which you want to receive notifications by tapping Add New and selecting a specific contact. Oh, we already added this one. Okay. And you can also add keywords, but this option is rather not applicable to our kind of notifications. The keywords are some specific words that should appear in your notification. So we can, for example, add the as a keyword we can add the contact's name, but since we already selected some specific contacts, there is no need in adding keywords. This option is more applicable for messages, for example. So if you want to receive a notification about a message containing a specific word in it, then add this word right here. And now to create a rule, click Save Rule and then switch the toggle to the right next to it. Well, it's switched on automatically, but if you want this rule to be enabled, you have to keep this switch turned on. And so from now on, when you flip your phone around, you will only receive the visual notifications about some specific kind that you customized yourself. And so that's how flip to glyph works on your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.